So I just increased the neck depth by 1 inch, and I also went into the shoulder by 0.75 inch for the front pattern, while the back pattern I entered into the shoulder by 0.75 inch the way I did at the front, while at the neck depth, the back neck depth, I used 0.75 also, and I connected. So now I'm going to add my sewing allowances and cut off this pattern. To the neck, I'm going to add 0.5 inch sewing allowance, 0.5 inch sewing allowance at the neck. The shoulder also 0.5 inch. The armhole, I'm going to add 0.5 inch, like this. And while for the side seam, I'm just going to add 1 inch for my seam allowance. Going to add 1 inch as my seam allowance. Going to add 0.1 inch. Going to add 1 inch to the hem, from the underarm point to the end. The same with the back pattern. 1 inch seam allowance to the side seam, while on the armhole, the shoulder and the neck, I'm just going to add 0.5 inch. After doing that, I'm just going to connect with my curves, with my ruler and my curves. I'm just going to cut it off. So this is what we have. This is my back and this is my front. So I'm just going to place it in my fabric now and cut. So I have pinned my pattern to my fabric, and I'm just going to cut like this. So this is what I have. This is my front panel and this is my back panel. I cut my front panel on a fold. This is my center front. This is my side front. And this is my back panel. This is the back. This is the zip allowance. So the next thing I'm going to do now I'm going to trace out my dart with my tracing wheel. I'm going to trace out my bust dart and my waist dart. So watch me do this. So with my chalk, my color chalk, just going to trace out to mark out the traced that line like this. So this, I've cut out my fabric with my pattern. So right now it's time to go and make this dress, the waterfall. This is my waterfall. So I'm going to sew this and this together. Then the next thing, I'm going to sew my dart, the front and back pattern. Then while joining the side seam, I'm going to add this to the shoulder. I'm going to join it to the shoulder and to the side seam. But for this one, the neck, that's why I cut this in 2 places. So this is for here. So I'm going to this. I'm going to just sew the neck, sew out the neck. I'm going to sew out the neck. Then I'm going to join the shoulder to this shoulder. All right. So this is what I have sewn the dart, the waist dart and the bust dart. This is my front panel. So this is how it looks. This is my back panel half. Sewn the dart. I went ahead to join the zip to sew the zip allowance. This is it. So I have this also, and I have also heat pressed. I've ironed the dart out, and I also ironed the zip space. You can see it. Then for the waterfall itself, you can see I've attached the 2 pieces together. This is my center front, this is my side, this is the shoulder. So I've attached it together, and I've also it press. The next thing I'm going to do now, I'm going to attach the zip to the back panel. After attaching the zip to the back panel, I'm going to join the side seam. I'm going to join all this together, join the side seam. Okay, so I've joined the side seam. I've joined the panels together, my side seam. I've attached the zip. So the next step now is to join the shoulder together, the front and back, attach the front and back from the shoulder at the shoulder point. I'm going to attach from here, from the neck point to the shoulder point. So that is the next thing I'm going to do now. I'm done joining the shoulders. The next step now is to cover up these rough edges, this neckline, with an interface. I've already cut out the interface. I'm going to use it now to cover up the neck. Then after that, I'm going to attach the sleeve and fold the hem and stitch the hem. So this is the final result. This is my waterfall jacket on my pencil gown. So this is my waterfall. You can dress it the way you want.